Okay, as to chapter 5, there's something about angles. First, in 5.1, we learned about some angles of triangles. So first, let me review what we have learned previously. So let me draw an arbitrary triangle. Basically, there are three angles inside the triangle, and we know that the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degrees. That the reasoning is so-called angle sum of triangle. Okay, so apart from that, we also try to learn another stuff that is so-called. Let me define this three angles. We call it interior angle. Okay, this one is interior angle of a triangle, this one is interior angle of a triangle, and this y is also interior angle of triangle. Now let me produce this line. Let's say this line is AB. Let me produce this line beyond the triangle. Here we know that ABC is a straight line. Now, and then let me denote this angle. Now, let me define this point as D. So DBC is, let's say this is equal to X, Y, Z. Let's say it is equal to W. So you know that EZ plus W is equal to 180 degrees because of the fact that adjacent angle of straight line. Okay, and then we do something, change of subject. Change of subject of this angle sum of triangle formula into here. EZ plus W equal to 180 degrees. Now let me change the angle sum of triangles, change the subject to EZ. So EZ will be equal to 180 degrees minus X minus Y. So that's why this adjacent angle of the straight line will become 180 degrees minus X minus Y plus W equal to 180 degrees. Quickly, you can see that the 180 degrees has been cancelled out. And let me change the subject to become W. So let me put the X and Y to the other side. So this is another very important phenomena of an angle or triangles, is that this W is equal to the sum of two interior angles X and Y. Okay, so this is the new theorem that we are going to learn. It is so-called exterior angle of triangle. Okay, so now apart of the fact that we know the angle sum of triangle, we also know the exterior angle of triangle. So this is what we are trying to learn in 5.1. Now here we add on something related to 5.3, that is the angles of a polygon. Because you will find that when you are doing 5.1 exercise, sometimes if you know some concepts of 5.3, that the life will become a little bit easier. The point is that, let me start from this one. Now, instead of talking about triangle, let me talk about the quadrilateral, having four sides. Now, I'm not sure that whether you know the relationship between the quadrilateral, four-side polygon to three-side polygon, that is the triangle, is that for triangle, actually the quadrilateral is having two triangles right there. Okay, and then we know that inside a triangle, the angle sum of triangle is 180 degrees. So the red triangle is also, the sum of interior angle is also 180 degrees. Okay, so because of that, for a quadrilateral, the sum of the interior angle of a four-side polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, adding up the two 180 degrees. Okay, what happens if it become not only four side but then for five-side polygon? The things is similar to the four-side polygon. Is that instead of having two triangles, now you will have another triangle. So that means there are three triangles. So that means there are three 180 degree sum of interior angle right there. So that's why for five-side polygon, the sum of the interior angle will become 540 degrees. Okay. So finally, if we generalize the sum of interior angle of a n-side polygon, then it will become this formula, n minus 2 bracket times 180 degrees. So there is a reasoning for this formula. Is called angle sum of polygon. Okay, so this is another thing that we're going to learn, which is a new thing. And there is a theorem that you need to remember, which is quite easy. It's called angle sum of polygon. And the formula is n minus 2 times 180 degrees.